Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can withdraw money from crypto.com to any of your bank accounts. So it's a pretty simple process. First of all, when you're on your crypto.com, you will select the fiat wallet option and you will set up new currency. As you can see right here, when you open up crypto.com, this is what you'll see, and you'll select set up new currency. Now from here you will set up the wallet based on your preferred fiat currency, and as you can see right here, you can already have these currency options. If you want another currency option, you will go on the search bar and you can search for that currency option and use that, and you will simply follow the next instructions to connect your bank account to the fiat wallet. Now of course, once you select the currency option that you want, it will then give you an option to add the details of your bank account. Now of course, if you've already added the details of your bank account, if your already bank account has been registered with crypto.com, you can just simply use that. If not, then you'll have to add the bank account details first. Now the process can differ from currency to currency of adding your bank account details. For example, if you're adding USD details, you can have different process for that. For euro or pounds, you can have different process, but you just need to do the same, complete the few prompts, add your bank account details, and after that you will process to the next step. As your bank account would be connected with the app, you will simply be given the option to choose how many funds you want to send, and from there you will confirm the transfer and you will withdraw money from crypto.com to your bank account. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.